A little bit of relief.
We're hoping to get another good round of some rain tomorrow, and that's going to be beneficial for some folks. With the rain, though, is going to come the chance for some thunder at times, and it's going to be pretty gusty, especially during the morning hours. So we do have an impact day for tomorrow. So we're watching the chance of wind, rain, and some storms. Winds could gust as high as 30 to 40 miles per hour at times tomorrow, and there is a very low-end chance of a strong to severe storm, mainly during the late morning, early afternoon hours. So what does an impact day mean? Well, it means that the weather could have an impact on your day tomorrow. That's especially true during the morning commute. So keep that in mind as you're making your plans to head to work or school tomorrow. We will have good coverage of rain. Here is the outlook for tomorrow. This is from the Storm Prediction Center. This is a level 1 low end marginal risk. And within this green area here, that's where we have the potential to see a storm or two that could produce some gusty winds. So that's going to be the main threat in terms of a severe outlook. But the reason we have an impact day tomorrow is for the heavy rain around during that morning commute. This is 3 a.m. We see better coverage of some rain, some thunder as well. Winds are going to be gusty, as we talked about, anywhere from 30 to 40 miles per hour. This is 6 a.m. So morning commute, wet roads likely, and it's going to be breezy as some of these heavy downpours are falling. Moving towards 9 a.m. Pretty good coverage of rain from Heiberger to Clanton over towards Birmingham into Anniston as well. This is a swath right here where we could pick up over 1 inch of rain. And then as we head towards lunchtime, we'll be watching any kind of leftover showers and storms for that risk that 1 or 2 could produce some gusty winds. We do expect a clearing trend though as we head into the evening hours, and then much cooler air will be rushing in behind this front. So a closer look at our rainfall totals. We are talking some beneficial rain for some of you. The farther north you live, the less likely you are to see more than, say, a ½ inch or an inch. There is likely to be somewhere that a swath sets up though, where we could pick up anywhere from 1 to 2 inches. That looks most likely along into the south of I-20. So we're talking Sylacauga, Alabaster, Selma. Those are some of the spots that could really get some beneficial rainfall out of this. And then I wanted to show you our temperatures. So we've got a front coming through. Today we're warm ahead of that front. Tomorrow with the rain around, that's going to keep our temperatures in the upper 60s, mid 60s on Wednesday, and then by Thursday, our highs are likely to hold in the 50s. So for tomorrow, impact weather because we are expecting heavy rain around, gusty winds at times during that morning commute, clearing trend during the day, and then we are really going to start to feel some cooler temperatures by the end of the week. We could even see some patchy frost Friday and Saturday morning.